Ako si Christian Anthony Basilio at ito ang aking final quiz 1. In my view, integrity is the most difficult to maintain in leadership. Knowledge and skills can be developed and enhanced over time through study and practice. But integrity, once lost or damaged, is very difficult to restore. This is because integrity depends on the perception and trust of others. And once that trust is lost, it is difficult to regain. A leader with integrity must be honest, responsible, and have moral conviction to maintain their integrity. Ako si Christian Anthony Basilio at ito ang aking final quiz number 2. Accept the challenge instead of complaining. I will accept the responsibility as an opportunity to learn and grow. Study and ask questions. I will take the time to study and learn things I don't know yet about the new responsibility. I will also seek advice and help from experts, though experienced in this field. Trust my team. I can do everything alone. I will trust the ability of my team and give them the opportunity to contribute and show their talent. Be open to feedback. I will seek feedback from my team and other stakeholders to find out what my shortcomings are and how I can improve my leadership. Ako si Christian Anthony Basilio at ito ang aking final exam. As a criminologist, doing the right thing should always prevail over camaraderie. If I were in a situation where I had to choose between the two, here's what I will do. First, I will analyze the situation. I will study all the angles of the situation and make sure I understand the possible consequences of each decision. Number 2, I will consult the experts. I will seek advice from lawyers, ethics experts, or other criminologists to ensure that my decision is in accordance with the law and the ethical standards of the profession. Number 3, stand up for what is right, even if it is difficult and may cause disagreement. I will choose to do the right thing. This means following the law, protecting victims, and holding offenders accountable. Number 4, explain the decision. I will show my colleagues and the public the reasons why I made this decision. I will be honest and willing to answer any questions or objections. Lastly, being a criminologist requires a strong moral conviction and dedication to doing the right thing, even if it is difficult or unpopular.